Nearly 3 million people have been affected by floods across 8 districts in Bangladesh. The weather agencies predict moderate to heavy rainfall in the next 48 hours in the northeastern part of the country and upstream areas. Water levels in the main rivers of the northeastern and eastern regions keep rising. The mostly affected districts are Kumilla, Feni, Chattogram, Khagrachori, Noakhali and Molovibajar, where 43 upajelas were submerged. A total of 189,000 families have been stranded by flood water in these 6 districts. The Army and the Navy personnel have joined to rescue the trapped people. Along with Feni, Kumilla, Akhaura, Khagrachori and Lokhipur, the Dhaka-Chattogram highway was also inundated, disrupting communication on the route. Feni has been the most affected, with hundreds of thousands stranded in without drinking water and electricity. Parts of Kumilla has been flooded amid incessant rainfall and water from Gomti River in India's Tripura flowing into Gomti River in Kumilla. Meanwhile, the import and export activities of goods through Akhaura land port have been stopped due to flood. All primary schools and 2 secondary schools in the Upajela were declared as shelters for flood victims.
এই শুনছো উঠো না আমি বলবো হ্যাঁ একটু ঘুমাই
তোর বাইরে লেগে এক কাপ চা বানাই দে ভাইয়া চাই কি চিনি বেশি দিব নাকি কম
2 চামচ লবণ দিয়ে দে
চোখেতে হাত ছুঁয়ে আছে সাজানো পথ চলা কথা বলা যেন শেষ না
আমি যে বিয়ে করছি আমার যে বউটা একটু ঘোরা উচিত কারো মাথায় আছে
যে থাকি পথে আসলে তুমি বুঝি রাঙা রথে বিভোর হয়ে থাকি প্রতিটি ক্ষণ
ডাক্তারের কাছে যাবো স্যার
আমার একটু নিয়ে চলেন না